Framer just released a new shader effect called ripple. It creates smooth water-like ripples that follow your cursor, and in this video I'll show you how to recreate the effect. Create a project, then click this plus, shaders, scroll down, and this is the shader we are talking about. Drag it and drop it here. You can make it layout, then click this image and upload any image you like. Let's increase the image width, make it fill and height, viewport 100 VH. Also height fit content, let's preview to see. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to create an effect like this. You can adjust properties like radius, hair, strength, decay, dispersion, like this to fine-tune the effect to your liking. Let's preview one more time. And as you can see, it looks different. So adjust it like the way you want. And it's not limited to hover interactions. You can also click on the image to trigger the effect. You're not limited to just images. You can use the ripple shader in tickers, slideshows, carousels, or any other creative way you can think of. For example, I add a ticker, and inside this ticker I add a stack, and inside this stack I add ripple, and then I change the direction to the left. For the second one I change it to right, and for the last one I change it to left. So that's it for this quick tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more Framer tips and tutorials.